Okay guys, so we're back here with a little suspension system. Here are the instructions, and the instructions are very well designed. And even somebody like me who doesn't understand Japanese, but has built a lot of Tamiya kits, such as the Toyota Supra kit, the what is it, Manta Ray kit. There was one like the Mini Cooper Rover kit that I built. I built a Bearhawk kit. I've built a lot of kits over the years. Anyway, that's why it is quite understandable, even though some things are still up for debate on how to do it, but some other things were quite easy for me to understand. One of the problems with the kit
Likey